What's up guys, Chaz here with Side Hustle Network, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to ship a hat. Picked up this awesome Street Fighter hat for $5 at a thrift store. This thing is in awesome condition. Just sold it on eBay for 25 bucks. There's many different ways that you can ship a hat, so I wanted to show you the way that I specifically do it. Step number one, I do apologize for that sound. I like to take this brown craft paper, throw this inside of the hat. That way it's going to help maintain the shape. One thing that you don't want to do is just throw this inside of a poly bag and ship it. Chances of this getting wrinkled or damaged, etc. are pretty high. Now if you're selling something like a $7 hat, you could probably get away with that. But being a $25 price point here, I want to make sure this is in really good shape. So once I have that filled, I'm going to grab a box. Box size, of course, just depends on the hat size. I typically ship a lot of different products inside of a 10 by 8 by 6 box. So I typically have a lot of this size on hand, and this works out perfect for hats. The goal here, no matter what the box size, is to keep it under 1 pound so that you can get the cheapest option, which is first class shipping. Before I box it, this is an extra step, but it is a step that I really like to do, and I think the customers appreciate it, is to put this inside of a poly bag. Another good tip there is to keep air. You can even blow extra air in there if you want to. Keep air inside of the bag when it's sealed. So from here, I can just drop this. Perfect fit right inside of my box. You can use whatever type of air bubbles, packing paper that you can get a hold of. We have tons of these air bubbles here at the warehouse, so I'm just going to put that right there. Drop my thank you card in there. Close her up. This is what the final product will look like here, which keeps us at 12.2 ounces for this specific one. You always want to round up, so we're going to call that 13 ounces. So here you can see 13 ounces is going to grab us $6.28 for our first class shipping. Once we have our box ready, I can then calculate my profit. I'm going to take my $25 sell price minus roughly about 13% for our eBay fees, minus our $6 in shipping, $15.75 minus my $5 buy cost. So I'm left roughly with about a $10 profit on this hat. So that is one way that you can ship a hat. That's the way that I prefer. I love this size of box. As long as it keeps it under 1 pound, then you're good with the first class shipping. So that has been your little shipping tip of the day for hats. That has been it for today's video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoy these style of videos and these shipping tips, be sure to subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, let me know which way that you ship hats. And if you found this video helpful, drop a thumbs up as well. This has been Chaz, Side Hustle Network. I'll see you in the next video.